Hey, so today we're going to talk about how you can make money while you're not streaming. But first, I really need a haircut, so let's go do that. Yeah, that's better. A lot of streamers remind me of those people at the corporate event that are lined up in front of those cash tornado machines where they have just a little bit of time to grab as much cash as possible. They go maximum effort, whether they have a strategy or not, and the results are never the same. I guess what I'm saying is it's really hard to rely on live streaming to be consistent income. Some days are good, some days are bad, so I'm going to show you 5 ways to monetize without going live at all. But before we get into it, I want to talk about the sponsor of today's video, One Shot Energy. Imagine getting a healthy boost of energy and focus from candy. One Shot Energy and Focus Chews are infused with healthy supplements to help gamers, creators, and fitness fanatics reach their maximum potential. They have great flavors like lemon lime, mandarin orange, blue raspberry, and their newest flavor, toxic limeade. Tell me which flavor you think sounds best in the comments below, and we'll pick a winner to receive 1 free energy sampler as well as a bag of assorted Focus Chews. Otherwise, feel free to use code RIFFS right now to get 30% off your order at oneshotenergy.com. And what may be the smoothest segue that ever happens on this channel, let's get into our first topic, affiliate marketing / sponsorships. Now, affiliateship and sponsorship are not the same thing, but they are sort of in the same family of monetization. Both of them involve doing work for a brand, you just get paid differently. Whereas a sponsorship might pay you up front, affiliate marketing is where you're going to be using a link or a code in order to earn a commission on anything that you sell. In the streaming space, it's actually pretty easy to get an affiliate deal. You don't need to be super popular or meet monthly sales metrics in most cases. For instance, tons of brands in the energy business are perfectly happy to have you selling their product for a 10 to 20% commission. G Fuel, Ghost, Rogue, One Shot Energy, all among them. There's a website called Fairly Odd Streamers that's a great resource for a lot of different brands looking to work with creators. And yes, I will put that link in the description below for you to check out. Every time I do a video, someone's got to be knocking on the door. While it can be good for you to get an affiliateship with a lot of different brands, there is none more versatile than joining the Amazon Associate Program. By joining the Amazon Associate Program, you get affiliate links, so that allows you to earn commission on pretty much whatever you want. These links are great to have, especially if you find yourself recommending gear to your viewers all the time. And the best part is, once they click your Amazon affiliate link, they don't even have to buy the thing that you recommended for you to earn a commission. After your link is clicked, you'll get a commission on anything added to their cart in a 24-hour period. I'm leaving out some details, but I'm going to throw this screenshot up and you can pause it right here and read through if you'd like. Once you become an Amazon associate, you're going to want to build a storefront. Or what I do is utilize a site called kit.co, which allows me to showcase all the products on my website. Each of these items are tied to my Amazon associate ID. I will link that page below for you to check out and, feel free to shop around. #ad. Oh, and don't forget to use #ad whenever you're promoting an affiliate link. All right, let's talk merch. With today's print-on-demand services, it's super easy to offer fans a ton of different merch items and keep new items in rotation for a long time. Not only does this help you connect with your fans, but it's also a great way to earn revenue. Just a side note, there's no shame in wearing your own merch on stream, okay? I play in a band, and in the music scene, it's considered tacky to wear your own band's merchandise. First off, who else is gonna wear it? And why not the person on stage, or in this case, on camera? There are a lot of merch suppliers out there, but the one that I use and recommend is called Fourth Wall. Very easy to set up your store, upload your artwork, and create great merch items. There is a minimum price for Fourth Wall to cover its cost, but after that you can set your own price. This is something you're gonna have to experiment with, but I would suggest making it profitable but affordable. And customers can leave you a tip if they're feeling generous. A lot of merch suppliers offer those same things, so what sets Fourth Wall apart? Well, it's 2 things for me. It's video replies and gifted merch. So with the video replies, once someone makes a purchase on your site, you will get an option on your app to give them a video thank you. It's a really cool, unique feature that I know that my community loves. The other is gifted merch. Now, this can only happen while you're live, but it kind of works like a gifted sub. I should mention that right now, this is only on Twitch. You cannot do this on Kick. Also, if you'd like to hear about other cool features that are not on Kick, check out this video I just made. If you feel like you have something extra to offer your fans, you should consider making exclusive content through a subscription model. I use Patreon to offer my subscribers exclusive merch, discounts on merch, early access to YouTube videos, and a special role in Discord. And I can also set different tiers at different prices so I can offer some flexibility. So depending on your content and what you're able to offer, platforms like Patreon, YouTube, Fansly, OnlyFans, and even Fourth Wall, who we just talked about, offer memberships to sell with really good creator splits up to 95% in some cases. Also, link to the Patreon below if you're interested. OnlyFans coming soon. If you have a talent that is parallel to content creation, that can be very lucrative for you. This can be something like editing video or graphic design. I was commissioned to write music for another streamer who wanted a theme song for one of the segments they were doing. And that streamer, Rose Colored Chaos, sells graphics and features like minigames to play on stream. Harris Heller invested a boatload of his own money to create stream beats. And while it's free for you and I to use, the money that man makes in Spotify royalties is astounding. Point being, it doesn't hurt to think outside the box sometimes and fill a need in the space. Lots of ways to monetize. And another method that is probably your best bet to grow long term is recorded content, doing exactly what I'm doing right now, which is making a YouTube video. If you don't have a YouTube channel, you're doing yourself a major disservice. Major disservice? Once you're monetized on YouTube, it will allow you to create evergreen content that will generate ad revenue long after your streaming days are over. And you can also take advantage of YouTube's other monetization tools like a super thanks, which is located like down here or something. And if YouTube's not your thing, you could start a podcast, which is another great opportunity for ad revenue, sponsors, and merchandise opportunities. Whatever you do, don't just try to make money while you're live. The ultimate goal should be to make money while you sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I'll see you soon.